Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English speaking practice session. Today, we've prepared a 30-minute conversation to help you improve your English speaking skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your fluency, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. 1. Meeting a new friend. In our first conversation, you'll learn how to introduce yourself and make a new friend. Practice along with us. 2. Ordering food at a restaurant. Now, let's dive into a common scenario: ordering food at a restaurant. Pay attention to useful phrases and vocabulary. 3. Making travel plans. Planning a trip? Conversation 3 will help you discuss your travel plans, book accommodations, and more. 4. Discussing hobbies. Sharing your hobbies and interests is a great way to connect with others. Let's practice a conversation about your favorite pastimes. 5. Solving a problem. Life is full of challenges. In this conversation, we'll focus on problem solving and discussing solutions. 6. Giving and receiving directions. Getting lost is no fun. In this conversation, we'll practice asking for and giving directions. 7. Talking about future plans. What are your future plans? Our last conversation will help you express your goals and aspirations. That wraps up our 30-minute English speaking practice session. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your speaking skills, and don't be afraid to use these phrases in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep speaking and improving your English.